Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion scoop behind. Now knowing how to do an accordion already would be really helpful, and knowing how to do a first move scoop behind would be really helpful as well. I'll put links to the clips for those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them and go back and look at them if you want to. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard accordion. We go semicircle and back. We're in the right hand, we're off in the left. We're starting the accordion in the return direction, so we send the lady over to the right, picking up the hand, left goes down, right stays up. And now we're doing a piece of an accordion in a turn direction. So we take the right over the lady, the left over the lady, the right goes down low. What's going to happen now, guys, is we're going to turn to our left. We're going to lead an extra turn for the lady with that left hand. The lady gets to the point where she's looking away from us. We let go of her hand as she gets to that point. At this point, guys, the right hand does the same job as a scoop behind in a first move scoop behind. The left goes over the guy. He steps to the right as the lady goes across. He takes a step back and does a prep. And then we get a spin in a return direction for the lady and a change of sides at the same time. Okay, so let's do that again from the other side. And think numbers. We go back and offer 1. We get return 2 and look 3. We get turn 4 and another on 5, scooping 6, preparation 7, return spin, change places 8 and catch 1. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, accordion scoop behind. You go offer, return, look, turn, again, scoop, prep, spin and catch. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you master that one and find it fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell, if it's turned on, your notification will mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.